In a village, a young shepherd boy named Ravi was given the responsibility of watching over the sheep. Every day he would take them to a green hillside, letting them graze while he sat under a tree, bored and lonely. One afternoon an idea popped into his head. What if I play a trick on the villagers? He thought with a mischievous grin. Taking a deep breath, he ran toward the village shouting, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep!" The villagers dropped everything and rushed up the hill with sticks and tools, ready to chase the wolf away. But when they arrived there was no wolf, just Ravi laughing. "You should have seen your faces," he giggled. The villagers were annoyed but shook their heads and returned to their work. A few days later Ravi felt bored again. He smirked and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! Please help!" Once more the villagers ran to the hill, only to find Ravi laughing even harder. "I fooled you again," he said. This time the villagers were angry. "Lying is not a game, Ravi," an old man warned. "One day you'll regret this." But Ravi didn't listen. Then one evening as the sun dipped below the hills, Ravi heard a low growl. Turning around, his heart pounded. A real wolf stood among the sheep. Terrified, he ran toward the village, shouting as loudly as he could, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! It's real this time." But no one came. The villagers had heard his lies too many times. They thought he was joking again. Ravi ran back, but it was too late. The wolf had scattered the sheep and disappeared into the forest. Tears filled his eyes as he realized his mistake. His foolish lies had cost him dearly. Moral of the story: liars are not believed even when they tell the truth. Trust is fragile. Once broken, it is difficult to earn back.